Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about SEC filings and forms 13F, 13G, 13D and form 4. And I will explain you how I'm using them. And we will start from the beginning. You can go to Sec.gov website, write your ticker like DHT, and we can see 13G filings, and we can actually read it. And we can see that Fidelity bought 15 million shares. We don't know when exactly they do it and on what price, but we can make some prediction. And to make a prediction, you need to know some numbers. Form 13G, it can be up to 410 days of delay or 10 days. And in this case, it is a 10 days delay. That's why we can open a chart, and we can see that they bought the shares somewhere here, and we can predict that the price was 5.8. And if someone bought 10% of the company for 5.8, and it is a big company with lots of analysts and they have lots of not public information, I think it is a strong signal to buy the stock, and I think you can use it when you are watching for stock and thinking to buy it, and it is like an additional yes to buy signal. 13F form, it is for institutional investment managers with control over $100+ million. 13G is an alternative for 13D, but with some exemptions. And 13D, it is filings if your acquisition or disposition of 1% or more. And as a result, I have this note. I will just leave it down here, and you can copy it to your note or something like this. And what we have in the end: 13F up to 137 days of delay, 13G up to 410 days of delay or just 10 days, 13D 10 days. And if you see some new 13D movements that can bring some change of control events, and some of 13D can make a big impact on your stock. And for 2 business days delay, it is for corporate insiders like CEO and 10+% owners. And you can use these forms on sites like fintel.io, and you can track some big good companies like Fidelity, and you can see here that they started new positions in 5 stocks. You can research them, and if you like that stock, you can buy it too with Fidelity. If the insiders have a really big amount of stocks, you can track them too, and here are some examples, like Form 4 from President and COO. He sold 628 stocks, and it is not interesting. If we'll check other boys and girls, it will be really a low amount of stocks, like 366, 301, 1,211 stocks for price $1. And this sales actually cannot move the stock because it is a really low amount of shares. How do you use these forms? And maybe you have some more interesting information about them. Also, we have 4 big dates. It is 15 February, 15 May, 15 August, 15 of November, and it is a time when institutions publish their filings. I hope this video was helpful. Please push the like button and subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.